Monday's Daily Pulse. News, what you need to know about Florida today. While the number of visitors to Florida appears to remain stable, there has been a noticeable difference in the types of tourists arriving. Traditionally, summer in Florida has been marked by its bustling tourist season, but recent data suggests a decline in peak activity during this critical period, raising questions about the state's current tourism dynamics. Hurricane survivors turn to nonprofits for help. Nearly a year after the worst hurricane season in a century, many nonprofits in the Tampa Bay area continue to struggle alongside their community members. In St. Petersburg alone, over 80 nonprofit groups reported $31 million in storm-related damages. Some lost office equipment due to rising floodwaters, while perishable goods were also impacted when power grids failed. This highlights the ongoing challenges faced by small businesses and vulnerable communities during severe weather events. How self-driving cars are changing car accident claims. As self-driving cars become more prevalent in Florida, they are increasingly being used in accidents, which shifts the focus of liability from human drivers to software, manufacturers, or service providers. This creates a more complex legal landscape, making it harder to determine responsibility in cases involving autonomous vehicles. The results suggest a potential evolution in how insurance and legal frameworks handle these emerging technologies. Two Atlantic systems besides Erin will either affect Florida. Hurricane Erin is not the only severe weather event occurring in the Atlantic. The National Hurricane Center is closely monitoring two additional disturbances. One tropical wave near the Cabo Verde Islands has the potential to develop into a problem for Florida, but such issues likely remain over a week away. This underscores the importance of staying alert to other weather patterns as Florida continues to experience intense conditions. Universal says Epic Universe's economic impact is a package. Universal's Epic Universe is expected to generate a $2 billion economic boost in its first year open in Florida, according to the company. Construction efforts have created over 65,000 jobs, while operations will add another 17,500. The three new hotels will contribute approximately $13 million in tax revenue for Orange County, benefiting residents through its 6% hotel tax. This reflects the broader economic implications of developing new attractions and infrastructure. Additionally, around Florida, superinflated, skyrocketing Tallahassee housing prices worry chamber conference crowd. Tallahassee's housing market has experienced a significant surge in prices, alarming the chamber conference attendees. As a call to action, this highlights the urgency of addressing affordable housing challenges in the capital city. Education, health, jobs grow in Southwest Florida. In the Cape Coral-Fort Myers metro area, education and health services added 2,000 jobs in July, while Naples-Marco Island saw a rise of 900. These developments reflect broader job growth across the region, driven by increased demand for skilled labor. Seminole Bank buys Camp Wewa to save it. Can the city afford? Apopka's leaders purchased the beloved Camp Wewa to protect it from future development. Despite initial investments, the city spent less than $1 million in revenue over 4 years, leaving them uncertain about the financial viability of the facility. Florida awards law enforcement bonuses. 8,700 recruitments. Governor Ron DeSantis awarded over 8,700 recruitment bonuses to new law enforcement officers. The program, launched in 2022, has generated nearly $58 million in bonuses, with 1,900 officers relocating from across the country. Artists in Miami-Dade face financial struggles. Nonprofit Artists for Artists launched a survey to assess artists' financial struggles following Governor Ron DeSantis' veto of arts funding. Over 9 months, the team collected 443 responses, revealing that artists continue to rely on limited resources despite their efforts to support the arts. Northeast Florida unemployment rate, unchanged at 4.2%. Jacksonville's unemployment rate remained at a high post-pandemic level in July, unchanged from June. The rate in the Jacksonville metropolitan area was 4.2%, reflecting continued slow job growth despite ongoing challenges. Seminole County leveraged new door-to-door service better than Lynx. Seminole County introduced a new door-to-door microtransit service, which may cost riders more than double the price of a Lynx bus ride, but promises convenience. Officials believe riders will prefer this service for improved accessibility. Suncoast Waterkeeper launches free water testing. Suncoast Waterkeeper is offering free water testing to identify forever chemicals in water. These substances, including PFAS, are artificial compounds used in everyday products, posing long-term environmental and health risks. Controversy comment hooks, but here's where it gets controversial. This section raises questions about the balance between innovation and public safety as self-driving technology evolves. And this is the part most people miss. It's important to consider the long-term consequences of technological advancements and their impact on both individuals and society. But here's where it gets controversial. As discussions evolve, it's crucial to explore potential alternatives and ensure that policies address the growing concerns surrounding AI-driven solutions. And this is the part most people miss. These examples demonstrate how diverse factors shape Florida's economy, environment, and community well-being.